Hi Crafty Angels, it's Vanessa from Angel Rose Designs. Welcome back to my channel, Crafty Angels, and today is December 14th, 2019, and I'm here with a package from Miss Luz Mercado, and it's my winnings from one of her sales that she's had on YouTube, and I won this, and I have it flipped upside down so y'all don't see the addresses, and yet as y'all can see it came just like this. There's a hole here in the packaging. Big one here, it came already pre-opened. So let's get into the pack. And it is this. It's a forget-me-not special occasion organizer. There's letters here. I mean, not letters here. I'm sorry. This is the address and phone book, and this is the special occasions planner. But I have something else in mind for this. There's extra sheets in the pocket on the side here, okay, and also some dividers in the pocket. And the pocket is almost like an accordion style pocket. It's got a little valley here, okay. So I'm sticking these in here. These are also numbered, but I mean lettered, not numbered. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but I have an idea in my head of what I'm gonna do with it. So Miss Machado, thank you very much for the winnings, and I will be sure to be at your sales in the near future, or whenever you have them. Okay, so you're gonna be seeing this in 2020 because my channel is on chill mode for the rest of 2019. So y'all will see this the beginning of 2020. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And also leave a comment down below in the comment section. And if I can find Miss Machado's, Luz Machado's YouTube channel, I will link it down below and probably somewhere up here in the iCard. Okay? So I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. And happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Crafty hugs. And I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye for now.